Finally, I'm going to clean the fuel tank.
My 300D has injector knocking, so I want to do an injector purge. It's a good idea to clean the fuel tank first. I started by removing the return line, thinking it was the fuel line. Then I drained as much fuel as possible. Okay, let's see whether we get more fuel out of the tank by leveling the car. Now it's time to access the tank. To reach the fuel tank, I removed the trunk panels, just a few clips holding them in place. The tank itself is secured with 4 bolts, making the process pretty simple. So I forgot to remove this side of the tank. This might be actually the outlet. Let's see how the rest looks like. The fuel level sensor was filled with gunk and slime, so I gave it a good clean. Inside the tank there was a lot of particles and build-up sticking to the bottom. And the fuel sieve was clogged too. I pressure washed the inside. It felt like an eternity until no more debris came out. Drying it out. In the end, the difference was huge. It's all dry and clean. Let's put it back together. I reused the old fuel sieve. It looked good to me after cleaning it. Reinstalling the fuel tank. Okay, connecting the fuel line again. I'm glad I did all this work after seeing the flakes and gunk coming out of it. It was long overdue and the fuel system is finally clean again.